Hello and welcome. Challenge accepted? 30 questions coming up. Not subscribed yet? Join our community today to access new quizzes every week, engaging educational content, and a fun learning experience. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. What is the largest volcano on Earth? Mauna Loa, Mount Everest, Mount Vesuvius. The correct answer is Mauna Loa. Here's an interesting fact. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano on Earth, covering about 5,271 square kilometers. What is the tallest volcano in the world? Mauna Kea, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Etna. The correct answer is Mauna Kea. Here's an interesting fact. Mauna Kea is the tallest volcano when measured from its base on the ocean floor. Which is the most active volcano in the world? Mount St. Helens, Kilauea, Mount Fuji. The correct answer is Kilauea. Here's an interesting fact. Kilauea in Hawaii has been continuously erupting for decades. What type of volcano is Mount Vesuvius? Shield, stratovolcano, cinder cone. The correct answer is stratovolcano. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Vesuvius is a stratovolcano known for the eruption that buried Pompeii in 79 AD. Which country has the most volcanoes? Indonesia, Japan, United States. The correct answer is Indonesia. Here's an interesting fact. Indonesia has the most volcanoes due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire. What is the name of the supervolcano in the United States? Yellowstone caldera, Mount St. Helens, Mauna Loa. The correct answer is Yellowstone caldera. Here's an interesting fact. Yellowstone is a massive supervolcano with the potential to cause global impact if it erupts. Which planet other than Earth has the largest volcano? Mars, Venus, Jupiter. The correct answer is Mars. Here's an interesting fact. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system. What is the name of the longest volcanic mountain range? Mid-Atlantic Ridge, Andes, Himalayas. The correct answer is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Here's an interesting fact. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an underwater volcanic mountain range stretching 16,000 kilometers. What type of volcano has a broad, dome-like shape? Shield volcano, stratovolcano, caldera. The correct answer is Shield Volcano. Here's an interesting fact. Shield volcanoes like Mauna Loa have gentle slopes formed by lava flows. What is the name of the volcano that erupted in 1883 and caused a global temperature drop? Mount St. Helens, Krakatoa, Mount Pinatubo. The correct answer is Krakatoa. Here's an interesting fact. Krakatoa's eruption in 1883 was one of the loudest explosions ever recorded and caused global cooling. What is the term for molten rock inside the Earth? Lava, magma, ash. The correct answer is magma. Here's an interesting fact. Magma is molten rock inside the Earth that turns into lava when it erupts. What is the name of the volcano that destroyed Pompeii? Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, Mount St. Helens. The correct answer is Mount Vesuvius. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, burying Pompeii under volcanic ash. Which volcano in the Philippines erupted in 1991, causing a global temperature drop? Mayon, Taal, Mount Pinatubo. The correct answer is Mount Pinatubo. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Pinatubo's eruption in 1991 was one of the largest of the 20th century, affecting global climate. What is the name of the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history? Tambora, Krakatoa, Pinatubo. The correct answer is Tambora. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Tambora's eruption in 1815 was the largest in recorded history, leading to the year without a summer. What is a caldera? A type of lava. A volcanic crater. A small eruption. The correct answer is a volcanic crater. Here's an interesting fact. A caldera forms when a volcano collapses after a massive eruption. What is the most famous volcano in Japan? Mount Fuji, Mount Antake, Mount Asama. The correct answer is Mount Fuji. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Fuji is Japan's most famous and iconic volcano. What is the Pacific Ring of Fire? A circle of volcanoes. A lava lake. A fire belt. The correct answer is a circle of volcanoes. Here's an interesting fact. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a region with many active volcanoes around the Pacific Ocean. What is the term for a small, steep volcano formed from explosive eruptions? Cinder cone. Shield volcano. Fissure volcano. The correct answer is cinder cone. Here's an interesting fact. Cinder cone volcanoes are small and steep, formed by explosive eruptions of lava fragments. What is the most active volcano in Europe? Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, age of geological. The correct answer is Mount Etna. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Etna in Italy is the most active volcano in Europe. What type of lava is slow-moving and thick? Pahoehoe, AA, basaltic. The correct answer is AA. Here's an interesting fact. AA lava is rough, slow-moving, and forms jagged rocks. What is the term for a volcanic mudflow? Lahar, pyroclastic flow, tsunami. The correct answer is lahar. Here's an interesting fact. Lahars are dangerous mudflows caused by volcanic eruptions mixing with water or ice. What is the name of the Icelandic volcano that disrupted air travel in 2010? Age of geological. Katla, Hekla. The correct answer is age of geological. Here's an interesting fact. Age of geological erupted in 2010, sending ash into the atmosphere and disrupting flights. What is the term for a cloud of hot gas and ash that moves down a volcano? Lahar, pyroclastic flow, magma. The correct answer is pyroclastic flow. Here's an interesting fact. Pyroclastic flows are deadly, fast-moving clouds of hot gas and volcanic materials. What type of volcano is Yellowstone? Stratovolcano, shield volcano, supervolcano. The correct answer is supervolcano. Here's an interesting fact. Yellowstone is a supervolcano with a massive underground magma chamber. What is the name of the largest active volcano in Antarctica? Mount Erebus, Mount Terror, Mount Sidley. The correct answer is Mount Erebus. Here's an interesting fact. Mount Erebus is Antarctica's most active volcano, with a persistent lava lake. What is the name of the largest lava lake on Earth? Muragongo, Kilauea, Etna. The correct answer is Muragongo. Here's an interesting fact. Muragongo in the Democratic Republic of Congo has the largest active lava lake. What is the name of the largest volcano in our solar system? Mount Everest, Olympus Mons, Mauna Loa. The correct answer is Olympus Mons. Here's an interesting fact. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in the solar system, nearly 3 times the height of Everest. What is the name of the deep-sea volcano that erupted in 2022? Tonga, Krakatoa, Kilauea. The correct answer is Tonga. Here's an interesting fact. The Tonga eruption in 2022 was one of the largest underwater eruptions ever recorded. What is the name of the Hawaiian island chain's youngest and still forming volcano? Mauna Kea, Loihi, Kilauea. The correct answer is Loihi. Here's an interesting fact. Loihi is an underwater volcano that will eventually form a new Hawaiian island. What is the term for an underwater volcano that has not yet reached the surface? Caldera, seamount, fissure. The correct answer is seamount. Here's an interesting fact. A seamount is an underwater volcano that has not yet reached the ocean's surface. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.